In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create intents in Dialogflow. First, open your web browser and search for Dialogflow. This is the Google tool that powers conversational experiences like chatbots and voice assistants. Searching for it is the quickest way to land on the official console, even if you haven't bookmarked it yet. From the results page, click the official Dialogflow link. It should take you to the Dialogflow console. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. Everything we need is in the left sidebar once you're in. Next, sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your Dialogflow projects, especially if you manage multiple Google profiles. If prompted, accept any terms so you can proceed to the console. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select your agent. An agent is essentially your chatbot project. If you don't see one listed, you'll need to create an agent first before moving on, since intents live inside agents. With your agent selected, navigate to the Intents section by clicking Intents in the left sidebar. This is where you define what users might say and how your agent should respond when it recognizes their goal. To create a new intent, click the plus button next to Intents, or the Create Intent button at the top of the page. Both options take you to the same creation screen. Give your intent a clear, descriptive name that reflects the end user's goal. For example, names like track order or check order status make it obvious what this intent is for. Keep names consistent and easy to scan as your project grows. Scroll down to the Training Phrases section and click Add Training Phrases. Here you'll enter examples of what a user might say to trigger this intent, such as, "Where is my order?" "Track my order," or "What is the status of my order?" Press Enter after each phrase. Dialogflow's machine learning will generalize beyond your list, but aim for at least 10 to 20 varied phrases, different lengths, wording, and structure to improve accuracy. Next, scroll to the Responses section. Under Text Responses, enter the message your agent should send when this intent matches. For example, you might say, "I'm happy to help track that. Could you share your customer ID?" Keep it helpful, concise, and aligned with your brand's tone. If you use a custom payload for a specific integration, you can add that here as well. Finally, click Save at the top right. Saving applies your changes to the agent so your new intent is ready to use.